The Honda motors have come up with a visually impressive and incredible design this time. This has gotten fans and the automobile world wondering and has made them stand in awe. Sure, this isn't the Honda Accord you used to know. Are you ready for the unveiling? Here's something you need to know about the 2023 Honda Accord. Is it going electric? Don't miss an iota. Watch till the end. The all-new 2023 Honda Accord is expected to re-energize the midsize sedan segment. According to Mamadou Diallo, Vice President of Auto Sales at American Honda Motor Company Incorporated, the all-new 11th generation Accord is crucial to our lineup as a significant driver of brand loyalty and with hybrid models comprising 50% of sales, a key element of Honda's electrification plan. This is the greatest Accord we've ever made. It sets the bar for its segment with an unrivaled blend of performance, efficiency, elegance, and connection. The redesigned 2023 Accord advances the new Honda design philosophy with a low horizontal belt line and a long, strong front end. It is longer and sleeker with premium proportions and a wide stance. The most well-liked sedan in America supports its felt new appearance with more assured and refined characteristics, increased responsiveness, and a more enjoyable driving style. Less power, but more torque. The hybrid power plant from the previous year is still in place. A 2-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 with an Atkinson cycle and VTEC that drives 2 electric motors is included in the vehicle. With 204 horsepower, 152 kilowatts, as opposed to the previous model's 212 horsepower, it has less power than it did last year, 158 kilowatts. The base engine is the 1.5-liter Turbo 4, 192 horsepower or 143 kilowatts at 5,500 RPM and 192 pound-feet, 260 Nm between 1,600 to 5,000 RPM are the same amounts of power as before. But don't expect a 6-speed manual. The 10-speed automatic is also unknown. Thus, the 2023 Accord's only possible transmissions as of right now are a CVT and an eCVT for the Accord Hybrid. Advanced technology. With the driver in mind, intuitive technology has been thoughtfully included into the Accord, including a standard 10.2-inch digital instrument panel with special display features depending on the engine. The 12.3-inch touchscreen with a physical volume knob, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, and a streamlined navigation system with fewer menus are standard on all Accord hybrid variants: Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring. The touchscreen is simpler to operate because of the 1-inch finger rest at the bottom, which offers a sturdy surface on which to rest your hand. QI-compatible 15-watt wireless smartphone charging is also available. Touring. The top-tier Touring is equipped with Google's first built-in integration by Honda. This includes Google Assistant, Google Maps, and other applications available on Google Play for a beneficial, tailored, and connected driving experience. With Google Assistant, you can voice command some auto tasks, use Google Maps to receive directions and real-time traffic updates, and Google Play to download music, podcasts, audiobooks, and other content. All Accords may now easily and quickly download over-the-air OTA software upgrades that improve practically all of the vehicle computer modules, capabilities, and operation. The ownership experience is improved with OTA wireless updates. New sleek styling. The 2023 Accord has a brand new, opulent style that furthers Honda's new design philosophy. It has long, clean body lines, a muscular front end with an upright grille, and blacked-out LED headlamps and long, clean body lines. The body's 2.7-inch increase in total length is highlighted by a prominent upper character line that runs the length of the body. A more upscale look is produced with a larger hood and a flowing fastback roofline. Accord features laser brazing technology along the roofline, doing away with the requirement for roof molding for a smooth and tidy roofline. Wide stance of the Accord is highlighted by distinctive horizontal LED straight-line taillights. The LX, EX, and EXL models come standard with 17-inch alloy wheels, a black grille mesh, and body color side mirrors. Black side mirrors, a black rear spoiler, black 19-inch alloy wheels, and black rear diffusers are added to the Sport and Sport L variants to give them an even sportier look. Unique gloss black 19-inch alloy wheels, silver and black exterior trim, and a high-contrast appearance are all included in the top-tier Touring trim package. All 2023 Accords have a rear track that is 0.4 inches wider for a wider stance and better stability. 8 exterior colors, including 3 brand new hues, Meteorite Gray Metallic, Urban Gray Pearl, and Canyon River Blue Metallic, will be offered for the Accord. Modern and sporty interior. The Accord has long been one of its segment's sportiest, if not the sportiest, offerings. The 11th appears to be heading in the other direction. The Accord Hybrid's increased output statistics and CVT-only transmission are justified by the claim that they are intended to enhance fuel efficiency in order to compete with vehicles like the Toyota Camry Hybrid and the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. Despite what the outside design would have you believe, the new version of the Honda Accord will essentially be less sporty. In terms of appearance, the 2023 Honda Accord follows the 2023 Honda Civic. Although the smaller model was shown a little sooner than its larger brother, the similarities are startling. The 2023 Accord has many smooth surfaces and straight lines throughout, which suggests that this will be Honda's design aesthetic in the years to come. We could state that, aside from a few design cues like the front grille resembling that of an Acura, the 2023 Accord is basically a larger Civic with a sedan rear end rather than a hatchback, because the Civic debuted a few months ago and the two vehicles seem so similar. Additionally, the brand new front-end body stabilizing seats make the Accord more comfy. Long drives are made less taxing by the next-generation seat frame's solid support for the body. Excellent external visibility is provided by a thin A-pillar and an open breezy greenhouse. With 16.7 cubic feet trunk and standard fold-down rear seats, the 2023 Accord has the most cargo space in its class. Gray or black cloth is used for the upholstery on the Accord LX and EX, with an 8-way power driver's seat on the EX model. Moonroof, heated front seats, and dual-zone climate control are also added with the EX. Black cloth interior, metal pedals, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and leather shift knob distinguish the Sport. Leather seating surfaces and a 4-way power adjustable passenger seat are standard on EXL and Sport L models. In the Touring model, heated and ventilated front seats are included. More powerful hybrid vehicles. More entertaining to drive, the 2023 Accord establishes a new standard for dynamic driving that is both comfortable and sporty. With stiffer body supports and new front brace bars, the Accord's greater chassis rigidity, which is based on Honda's improved global architecture, further supports advancements in ride, handling, and overall refinement. Improvements to the suspension and steering make the Accord more enjoyable to drive while also enhancing the ride. An improved 4-wheel independent suspension makes fourth driving more enjoyable. Ball joints and new damper mount bearings for the front suspension minimize friction to enhance steering smoothness. At motorway speeds, the hybrid electric powertrain is also noticeably more polished and responsive. By simulating the vehicle speed-linked rev sensation associated with a traditional powertrain shifting gears under acceleration, linear shift control improves the driving experience. For a better driving experience, adjustments to the hybrid control system additionally enhance the management of engine and electric power under various circumstances. Leadership for safety performance. Thanks to cutting-edge active and passive safety equipment that is standard on every Accord, the 11th generation Accord is a midsize sedan safety leader. This features the most recent iteration of the body structure developed by Advanced Compatibility Engineering (TM), ACETM, which has been improved for even better compatibility with bigger vehicles. Improved occupant safety in angled frontal accidents is one example of this. Accord is made to meet the new Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's IIHS Side Impact Crashworthiness Evaluation, SICE 2.0, as well as expected future requirements, aiming for today's top safety pick plus and NHTSA 5-star ratings. The radar range of blind spot information, BSI, has been increased to 82 feet. Another recent addition is Traffic Jam Assist, TJA, a first for Accord. Updated versions of Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, with Low Speed Follow and Lane Keeping Assist, LKAS, now have reactions that are more in line with human behavior. Additionally, low-speed braking control is an option on Touring, and Traffic Sign Recognition, TSR, is a standard feature. Rear Seat Reminder, which alerts drivers to check the rear seating area for children, pets, or other valuable items before departing the vehicle, is a standard feature of Accord. A stolen car locator, a remote immobilizer, and a Find My Vehicle feature are now included in the expanded list of basic security options that are available. Honda Accord price for 2023. When the 2023 Honda Accord goes on sale in January 2023, it will be offered in 6 distinct trim levels: LX, which is the base, EX, Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring. Although the official price of the 2023 Honda Accord has not yet been revealed, it is anticipated to start at approximately $27,000 and max out at about $40,000 for the top variant. In comparison, the Toyota Camry, Mazda 6, and Nissan Altima, the Honda Accord has always been a solid option. The 2023 Accord plainly sacrifices sportiness for an economy car while still maintaining aggressive aesthetics. And we're not sure what to make of that. However, Honda's track record for dependability is always positive. With that said, let's call it a day. Feel free to share your thoughts and feelings in the comment box below. And stay tuned for the next shocking drop.